Be ready? Start. The execution of projects of water supply and sewerage were earlier carried out on deposit work basis where the Jal Nigam would purchase material and engage daily wage laborers to complete the project under the supervision of the payment technical staff. But due to increasing financial stress, the work model has been charged to seek execution of projects through contractors. In the new work model, the project would be awarded to the contractor whose bid is the lowest. The process has eliminated the need for the employee daily wage laborers for execution of projects. The argument that 550 Group D posts are available against which petitioners may be appointed is not tenable. The Group D posts are required to be filled on the basis of qualifications prescribed for filing up of such posts in the rules as may be applicable to make appointments to such posts. The petitioners, if eligible, can complete for such appointments. But merely there were once engaged on muster roll, they cannot have right to seek regular appointment against Group D posts. D horse. The eligibility conditions prescribed in the rules. The regular appointment can be made keeping in view the principles of public appointment, which is by issuance of an advertisement giving opportunity to all eligible candidates to apply and to consider their suitability for the posts in non-discriminatory manner. The petitioners appointed on muster roll basis cannot claim regular appointment against the vacant Group D posts when the award of the Labour Court was of reinstatement and not that of regular appointment. The judgment referred to by the learned counsel for the petitioners in Jagjit Singh and others supra is not applicable in respect of a daily wager engaged on muster roll. The question examined therein was whether temporarily engaged employees are entitled to minimum of the regular pay scale along with dearness allowance, etc. on account of their performing the same duties which are discharged by those engaged on regular basis against sanctioned post. This is not the case of reinstatement of a retrenched workman arising out of an industrial dispute. In RBI bracket 2005 5 SCC 100, it was held that in law 240 days of continuous service by itself does not give right to claim of permanence. Section 25F provides for grant of compensation if a workman is sought to be retrenched in violation of the conditions referred to therein. Full stop. Over.